Alright guys, hopefully you can understand me, you can hear me alright, and it's not picking up too much wind. It is so windy. We're under a wind advisory right now. It's blowing like 45 gust up to 45 and 50 and 60. You know, it's pretty crazy right now. But I picked up a Reelcraft hose reel for $50. They are with tax like $500 new, and found a guy selling one, and he just said, if you give me $50, I'll sell it to you. And I was like, all right. So I've been sitting here for the last hour trying to figure the best place to mount this, because obviously this is not a welding bed. I use this a lot in my bed, and I like all my space, and so I think I decided I'm gonna try to mount it here next to I don't even know what to call these, my tank straps or something. I think I'm gonna mount it here with a plate and some more strap hinges, so where I can actually you know, I'll have a little plate that probably comes off here. Open this so that way I can actually have it come out this way, or I can open it and it can come out this way. On top of, then I'll be able to open up my tank straps there when I have to change them out. So that is going to be the next thing that I do. guys, so this is what I come up with so far. Wanted to give y'all a small update. Welded these two plates on, this back plate to level, to give a level off this since we're going up at an angle. I'll put this hinge on there and put this plate that's on there in between so I can remove this. Pretty damn sturdy. Honestly, this would have to, this whole thing would have to break for this to come off. As you can see, it swivels open really nicely. That's pretty cool. I think what I'm gonna do to lock it is I'm gonna put a top cap on this plate up here. I'm gonna put a top cap there, so that way when I close this, I can have a latch. Tractor Supply sells these latches, so I can put a latch here and attach it to this somehow. Maybe I have to look to see if they carry anything like that, but let's test it out. Oh, that's freaking sweet. Can't tell how far out we are. That's pretty sweet. So that's 50 foot out. I would like to have a much longer hose reel than this, but that thing was 50 bucks. That's what I paid for it. So the other hose reels, I think they're you know, 150 bucks or 200 bucks for, like, you know, the one that you do by hand. So I felt like for this price you couldn't beat that. See how it rolls back up. I think that's pretty sweet. All right, and we're done for now. I put this little latch on there I bought from Tractor Supply, and I don't really like it. Look how loose that is, and that will break because it's cheap, but just kind of show you. I think this thing's pretty neat. So that's done for now. I need some lead reels, and I've been looking at them online. They're pretty expensive. I mean, they're not terrible. Some good ones are like a little over $300, $350. So I kind of want to make some. So I'm kind of thinking of, thinking if I want to do that or not. I've been looking at some designs. I think I'm just gonna do my own design if I do that. So possibly be on the lookout for that. On to the next one.